Welcome to the final training module called Lesson 6, Substitution. In this lesson, we are going to learn the sixth and last layer of the phonemic awareness strategy in reading. In reading, when this strategy is used, phoneme substitution is when a student can add and remove letters or sounds from existing words to make brand new ones. For example, when a student sees the word cut, he or she should be able to substitute the U sound for the O sound to make the new word caught. As the student continues to add and subtract letters or sounds out of a word, he or she could create the new words such as cat, cutter, or hut. Another example is when a student sees the word box. He or she should be able to substitute the B sound for the F sound to make the new word fox. As the student continues to add and subtract letters or sounds out of a word, he or she could create new words such as ox or socks. The last example is when a student sees the word mouse. He or she should be able to substitute the M sound for the BL sound to make the new word blouse. As the student continues to add and subtract letters or sounds out of a word, he or she could create the new words such as house or louse. This skill is a very crucial sixth step for students because it is the final stage of complete phonemic awareness in word recognition, spelling, vocabulary development, and speech. They need to be able to manipulate sounds and words in order to read and write at higher levels for high school academic success. This goes for all students, especially students at risk, emergent bilinguals, and students of special populations, because they will be able to continue to close the reading and writing gaps once they have the basic skills to manipulate words to fit their needs academically and personally. Now that we are aware of what phoneme substitution is in reading, we're going to complete a learning activity to see how you would use the reading strategy with your students. Next, we will complete a short 10-question quiz to check our understanding of the learning materials. Once those parts of the lesson are complete, you can move on to the summative assessment of the phonemic awareness strategy training to demonstrate your full mastery of the learning materials. Do not forget to check out the extra resources we have available, as well as leave us feedback for how we did. Thank you for joining us on this reading journey, and I hope it provides another tool for reading and writing success in your classrooms.